So the first thing about the hardware, of course, you are much more welcome to use your own custom hardware, and I'm here to set it up, your custom hardware. But let me list the things you need. First, you of course need motors. At the beginning, we will use DC motors, and of course you need some frame. And I will put the link for the balancing robot kit, and I guess on your local market or on different distributors, I think you can find something similar. So personally, I used this frame before, and it worked really just fine, because when you get this kit, you also have encoders, which is really essential for the balancing robot. Then for angle estimation, we need an IMU sensor, and I'm using this IMU sensor, ICM20948. But if you have different IMU sensor, you're also much more welcome, because also I could help you to set it up. And for the microcontroller, I will use STM32 microcontroller, specifically STM32L476, so which you can find in this development board. So it looks like this. Then I have also we need a motor driver. It usually looks like this, so we can control the DC motors. We can provide enough current using this kind of motor driver. But of course, this kind of things we're gonna talk a lot a bit later. So once you have all of this, you can just assemble everything together, and everything should be ready. And of course, you need a power supply. You can use, for example, battery, LiPo battery or something like that. And in my case, as you see, I have a step motor, which we are going to talk much later. And also I have my own PCB. So if you want to design something like that, I also will put the link in the description, where you can also find the design of the PCB. And in general, I have this kind of web page showing the balancing robot PCB. So this is the PCB I created for the DC motor control. Also, I have another version for the stepper motor, which also you can find in the description below. So that's a short introduction of the hardware of the balancing robot. But of course, if you have any questions, remarks, you can leave the comment in the comments. We're gonna talk about that even further. So that's kind of introductory words about the balancing robot course. Next thing, we are going to switch to the first chapter of the course, where we'll talk about the DC motor control. So see you there.